Being in Australia, I often transfer data to and from Philippines. So this news from AWS that they have now got a new AWS Direct connection location in Manila is really great. And I believe that this will be very beneficial for small and medium-sized enterprises in Philippines, especially around Manila region. Now, if you don't know about it, Philippines is a great hub for the new technological innovation, especially in the cloud. So it's a great news for the customers in Philippines. It's also for the customers who are based in APAC region and routinely coordinate with the technological firms in Philippines. And this is the first direct connection location which is live in Manila at PLDT Vitro Makati 2 data center. And this new direct connect location reaches resources running in the Manila AWS local zone, supporting applications that require extremely low latency or local data processing. So now by using Direct Connect, you can create a private physical network connection between AWS and your own data center, office, or co-location environment. These private connections can provide a more consistent network experience than those made over the public internet. So really, all in all, a great news for the companies using AWS Cloud in Philippines. If you know more about it, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening.